Warning of strong wind gusts that may reach a speed of 65 kilometers. We will provide you with the cities in the United Kingdom affected by these strong winds and the disturbance associated with a drop in temperatures as a cold air mass enters, leading to a weather condition with a noticeable decrease in temperatures and dry weather in the areas we will present to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Now we will move on to the details. Starting from tomorrow, Monday, the 11th of May 2026, some active winds are expected to continue, especially in Norwich, Hull, and areas of London. These winds will have speeds and gusts that may reach 50 kilometers per hour, particularly in Norwich. For the central and northern regions, the weather will generally be cloudy tomorrow with a chance of some rain. The weather will be cloudy in the far northern areas of Scotland, as well as partly cloudy in London and the central regions. In Northern Ireland, the weather will be cloudy to partly cloudy.
And it is expected, God willing.
Light rain is expected, particularly in the morning in areas like Birmingham, as well as Liverpool and Sandwich. This rain will remain light and scattered with a chance of some snow in Inverness. The expected snow may be relatively light. As for the expected temperatures for tomorrow, temperatures will experience a noticeable drop, especially in the far northern areas of Scotland. Generally, there will be some frost, particularly in the early morning hours, and in the southern regions, the maximum temperature may reach 17 degrees with relatively dry conditions. For tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, Tuesday, the 12th of May, very strong wind gusts are expected, with speeds reaching up to 65 kilometers per hour, especially in the far northern regions of Scotland, with the possibility of wind gusts. Strong winds will also continue in Inverness as well as in Glasgow and Norwich areas. The rainfall is also expected in many areas, and we will provide you with the expected temperatures. In Northern Ireland, the winds will be active, reaching speeds of more than 50 kilometers per hour. Wind gusts are also expected in central areas like Liverpool, Sandwich, as well as Glasgow, Hull, Birmingham, and also Sandwich. And the winds will be relatively light on London, and the southern areas will also be light. But the areas affected by strong winds are the central areas, Northern Ireland, and the far northern areas. And Scotland in general will have some strong active winds. As for the possibility of rain tomorrow and the winds the day after tomorrow, regarding the rain, some rainfall is expected. The rain may be moderate to scattered at times, especially in the northern regions and the central areas of Northern Ireland. As for the south, in the morning, the weather will generally be cloudy, but without significant rain activity. There will be some sunny weather on Tuesday morning in London, as well as in Norwich, Plymouth, and Bristol. The weather will be cloudy in the morning, especially over Birmingham, Liverpool, and Hull, with some rain expected in western areas as well as Sunderland, Douglas, and Newry. Northern Ireland will receive some rain, especially in the far northern areas. Also, Northern Ireland and Newry are expecting some rain in Glasgow, as well as Inverness and Aberdeen, with cloudy weather in the north. In the afternoon, it is expected that the weather will become cloudy, or after midday, it will become cloudy in the southern areas of London, along with some light rain in Liverpool. Scattered rain will also fall on central Sunderland areas, some rain in Northern Ireland with cloudy weather, and there will be wide clearings in Northern Ireland, or rather in the far northern areas, especially Scotland. The weather will be relatively clear with large clearings, and it will appear sunny afternoon on Tuesday. For Tuesday evening, wide clearings are expected in many areas and cities of the United Kingdom, with some cumulus clouds continuing, especially The far northern areas may give some heavy rain to the far northern areas of areas like the areas of Balivanich, as well as Crabster, Inverness, and also Port of Ness, and areas, the cities of Darso and Aberdeen, some light rain with large clearings in the central areas.
And the southern cities as well. As for the expected temperatures,
For Tuesday, we expect at midday, early morning, the weather will be it may be relatively cold compared to last week due to the entry of a cold air mass that affected temperatures. The temperature will range between 15 and 18 degrees in the southern regions with cold weather as we move into the central regions and Northern Ireland, as well as the areas from Scotland. The weather will be cold except for the northeastern areas. There might be some weather, there might be a temperature difference that could reach 12 degrees, but in the far northern areas, it might be, northwestern areas might be 8 degrees. Overall, the weather will generally be unsettled with strong winds, and there is also a possibility of some rain and snow starting today. And generally, this was the outlook for the next 2 days for the United Kingdom. As for the temperature, it will not see a significant change. It will continue approximately at the usual levels without major change, with the appearance of this cold air mass, which will negatively affect some rain. It will remain scattered. Some rain will enter on the 13th. There will be widespread rain in many areas and British cities, especially in the following cities. In the morning, the weather will be cloudy, rain in Hull, as well as in Liverpool areas, rainfall in the Sand Rapids, as well as Sunderland, Glasgow, moderate showers in Inverness, as well as Port Ognis, Balivanich, and Thurso. Light precipitation is expected for these areas. For the evening period, afternoon on the 13th of May, significant rainfall with a possibility of thunderstorms in Norwich, as well as Hull, Birmingham, London, also Brest, Bristol, as well as Plymouth and St. David. Rainfall in Glasgow and Northern Ireland in Newry. Rain is also present in areas like Inverness, Aberdeen, Scranage, and Balivanich. The rain will appear heavy, sometimes with thunderstorms. For the other remaining upcoming days, just some weather effects and some expected rain will remain in the central, northern, and southern regions, with the possibility of some thunderstorms expected in London. Some rain will be stormy as well as in Oxford,